Hi, I'm Chris with Pioneer Library System, and today we're exploring recipes from the upcoming Spark a Change title, From Scratch, by Tembi Locke. Here are the ingredients you'll need for sun-dried tomato and almond tapenade. For the recipe, I'll start by roughly chopping the almonds. Then I'll mince the fresh rosemary leaves and chop the basil up. I'm going to take all of those ingredients and put them into the food processor. With the lid closed on the food processor, I'll start it running, and I'm going to slowly add the 1 cup of olive oil until the mixture forms a thick paste. You can add more olive oil if you want to get a smoother consistency. Taste it, season it with salt and pepper, and serve it on bread or fresh pasta. Perfect.
For an immediate download of our Spark a Change title, From Scratch by Tembi Locke, click the link titled From Scratch Instant Download. For more information on Spark a Change events in your community or a list of ingredients for this recipe, visit the description section in this video. Thanks for watching.